Hey guys, and welcome to a new cryptocurrency video. As you can see back here, I have my mining rig turned off right now, and the reason why is because I am going to switch to mining Ravencoin instead of Ethereum. And what Ravencoin does, as you can see this description up here, is it essentially lets you create assets or NFTs to represent like real world items or digital items. And it's really cool. You can create your own tokens on the network. It's a fork of Bitcoin, and it uses proof of work algorithm, which means you can continue to mine that even after it's essentially a good backup option after Ethereum mining ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my mining rig set up and running, and we will see how many coins I can mine in 24 hours. And I will have the results at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get started setting that up. Hey guys, so now I'm at the RaveOS interface, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new wallet for Ravencoin. So I'm just gonna do Ravencoin, add wallet, and now I have to find Ravencoin, which is right here, and I'm gonna use 2miners pool, just the US version, and I'm gonna paste my wallet address, and I'm gonna use Team Red Miner, and I think this one right here should be the newest, so save that. And I'm gonna go back to my mining PC. And one thing about Ravencoin is it actually uses more power to mine, and your hash rate will be lower, so you want to change your overclock settings. These are my Ethereum settings, and I'm going to restore from what I was testing earlier, and I'm going to use this as my overclock. So these are my settings here for the XFX model of the RX580 if you guys want to try these. Each card is different, so it might be different for you as well, but this is what I am gonna do, and I'm gonna save and apply that. And now we can go ahead and start mining. I'm gonna go ahead and I forgot to change my wallet on my actual mining rig, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. We'll go to the dashboard and go to mining and change this over to Ravencoin, which is our new wallet, and go ahead and apply that. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I completely spaced that one right there, but yeah, now if we check, it should be half the speed is what it would be to mine Ethereum. That's a that's a good rule of thumb for this, but yep, it should be 15 once it loads. I might do it. Oh, yeah, okay. So it is 5 right now. I'll let this run for a little bit, and then we can see this hash rate build up. So I'll do a quick cut right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are getting around 14 mega hashes a second per card. This will go up. This is constantly changing, but it will be average 14-15 mega hashes a second for these cards. So we can go ahead and check how our mining rig is doing. We just paste this wallet address on 2miners and go ahead and search for it. So here we are. Oh wait, did I paste the wrong one? Yeah, I pasted the wrong one. All right, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, we are getting 14 mega hashes a second right now. One worker online. We'll see this graph go up and the hash rate go up as we get more shares. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this run for a bit, and we will go ahead and see how well it does after maybe like 30 minutes. And then I will come back, look at that, and then we will let it run for 24 hours and see how well it does. It is 6 o'clock at night right now, so I'll let this run until 6 o'clock tomorrow night, and then we can see our results. Okay, so as you can see, my hash rate is now up. It's been 30 minutes now, so basically it will mine 2 coins pretty much every 30 minutes. So I will be back in 24 hours and we will see how many coins we have mined. Alright guys, so it has been 24 hours now, and as you can see, I have mined 89 coins, or 89.9, so about 90 coins in the past 24 hours, and I think that's pretty good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with mining Ravencoin for a little bit. That way, once Ethereum mining stops, I'll have a stockpile of Ravencoin, because I am assuming that a lot of Ethereum miners are gonna move over to Ravencoin and make the switch, which might make the price spike up a little bit, especially since Ravencoin is going to have its first halving at the start of next year. So I think that will help drive price up. This is not investment advice, but I think Ravencoin will do well. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this really quick. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, and if you liked the video, consider leaving a like. And I will see you in the next one.